Hello, I am Ms. Eggers, the reading teacher. I teach both 6th and 7th grade. I'm going to show you a couple of the apps to explain their purpose. So I am currently under Clever, and you will find all the apps for my class. Now Focus, just want to let you know, Focus is where you'll find your child's grades for every single class. And your child's R2D2 username and s.password will give you access to all of the apps. Moving on to Canvas. We're just going to quickly go over the syllabus, but just so you know, on the dashboard you will find your child's classes. And as I stated before, I do teach 2 grade levels. However, both of them are structured the same way. I'm just going to select the 6th grade class. And let's just quickly go over the syllabus. And in the syllabus, I have provided you with my contact information, my email address, and a number. And just so you know, you can't text or call. And you have access to this, so you can read at any time. And I just have provided you with the expectations, an overview of the class, and just to let you know, my class consists of 3 rotational groups: small group, computer group, and independent group. And as for homework, it's only applicable if students do not complete their work in class. And the second page is just providing you with the standards. So I'm going to close this out. And now I'm going to click on Modules. Under Modules, you'll find your child's assignments. So I'm just going to click on Student View, and this is what a student sees. Alright, so here are all the assignments. And under the assignments, you will see a date. That date is the due date. Okay, so let me just show you how a week will look in my class. So you see? So they'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tasks to complete for the week. This is usually done in whole group. All right, it's just me introducing it before they actually break off into their rotations. But here, let me start over here. So when doing independent group, I have provided them with directions, and it requires them to go to Clever and find the News ELA app. So let me just show you how that looks. So here's my page. It may look slightly different only because I'm on a teacher's mode versus student mode. But here's News ELA. All right, and then students will click on Assignments, the Assignments tab, and they'll find Article 3. And like I said, it will look slightly different only because I'm using a teacher's mode, but students will see the article titled, or the assignment titled Article 3. And I'm going back to Canvas. I have asked them to take notes and also to respond to the 4 questions. I just gave you an example of how it should look. So students would just supply me with their answers, and then they would click the Submit Assignment, and the confetti is an indication that it has been submitted successfully. Okay. Now there's one assignment. If I go back to Modules, you'll notice the next assignment is iReady, and I am asking students to spend at least 45 minutes on iReady and acquire a pass rate of 70% or higher. And if I go back to Clever, iReady is right here. This is the iReady app. All right. And moving on, let's go back to Modules, see the next assignment. I just want to show you where everything's located in case there's ever any question. And the iReady minutes, as I say before, it's just the 45 minutes. I've just separated them to have 2 different assignments. However, they do go hand in hand. And this right here, if I'm honest, this is for those students who are quarantined. However, we usually complete this assignment in class, in small group, using Nearpod. Okay, so we're still working on the same assignment. Only difference is that we use a different app. Okay, this is really for those who are quarantined, but if you are in class, you will be using Nearpod and will be completing this exact assignment through that app. Okay, and last assignment is this Words Done list number 1. Once again, the directions have been provided. Just want to click on it just to give you an idea of what students are working on. So there are 25 words in every single list, and I'm asking students to click on the flashcards tab and to study these 25 word stems. And if you click on this right here, this feature, it'll provide you with the word stems, and if you click on it, the definitions behind it. Okay, and so there are 25 words in total that they must master. I give them about 4 or 5 weeks, and once they've studied their flashcards, they can use these 2 games, all right, just to serve as more practice. All right. So just going back to my home page, I just want to let you know that I did give you my email address, but also if you would like, you can always use this inbox right here, so you can send me a message as well. So this was just how a week looks in my class. If you have any questions, you can email me or text me, and I will contact you as soon as possible. All right, so thanks and take care.